Now next concept, highest common factor. Highest common factor, we can, in short, we can write it as HCF. Write it as HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So by using three methods we can find HCF. Then how? First one is listing factors, second one is prime factorization method, third one is division method. First one is listing factor method, the second one is prime factorization method, the third one is division method. Then how to find HCF? By using listing factor. Solution. Here we have to find the HCF of 15 and 30. First you have to write 15 multiples, 15 factors, highest common factor, no, 15 factors we have to write. 15 factors, 15 ones are 115s are 15. Then after that, in 2 table you won't get this 15. In 3 table 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. In 4 table we won't get this 15 in 4 table. In 5 table we will get this 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are, already 3 5s are is there. Again here we are repeating this 5 3s are, don't take, stop till here only. Okay. Next 30 factors. First you have to write 30, 1 30 is a 30. Then after that, 30 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. Next in 3 table, 3 10s are 30. In 4 table we won't get this in 4 table. In 5 table, 5 6 are 30. And after that in 6 table, 6 5s are, already 5 6 is there, again 6 5s are, it repeats. Don't take that one, stop till here only. Now 15 factors. 15 factors. What are 15 factors? Take in this way, 1 3 5 15, 1 3 5 15. And 30 factors. 30 factors. What are 30 factors? Take in this way, 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. These are the factors. 15 factors and 30 factors. And after that we have to check common factors. First we have to write the factors. Here HCF. F means first we have to take factors. The factors process is over. Then after that common factors, common. So common we have to check which one is common. 1 is common in both, and 3 is common in both, and 5 is common in both, and 15 is common in both. 1 3 5 15 is common in both. Okay, factor is over, common is over. Now we have to check highest. Which one is the highest? In this common factor, which one is the highest one? 1 3 5 15, 1 3 5 15. 15 is the highest common factor. Therefore 15 and 30, HCF means highest common factor is 15. Highest common factor is 15. Okay. First what we have to do? We have to take factors. Then after that we have to take common, and after that highest. Highest, what is the highest in 1 3 5 15? 1 3 5 15. 15 is the highest one. That highest common factor we have to take. So here the procedure, first we have to find the factors, then after that common factors we have to find, then after that we have to check which one is the highest in that common factors, that we have to write. Okay, this is the procedure. So in which, so listing factor, whenever listing factor is asking, so we have to do, so we have to follow this procedure to find HCF. Next, in the example, find the HCF 42 and 162 by using prime factorization. Prime factorization method he is asking. First we have to take 42 prime factors like this. First, 42 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 21s are 42. Then after that again this 21 is divisible by 3, 3 sevens are 21, and 7 is a prime number, no need to go further. So stop till here only, stop till here only. Why? Because this 7 is a prime number. Then after that 162 is an even number, then take 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, and after that this is an odd number, so it is divisible by 3. How it is? 8 plus 1, sum of the digits. If we check sum of the digits, 8 plus 1 is 9. If 9 is divisible by 3, then this number is also divisible by 3. Then 3 2s are 6 here 8. In between 6 and 8, how much gap is there? The difference is 2. The difference you have to take here, 21. Then where you will get 21 in 3? 7s are 3 7s are 21. Again this 27, so it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again this 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So this 3 is a prime number, so no need to go further. So stop till here only. Now 42 prime factors. 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 3 into 7. Then 162 prime factors, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And now after this we have to check what are the common factors. This 2 is common between, and this 3 is common, and here 7 is there, no 7 in this one. So then 42 and 162 HCF is equal to 2 into 3. 1 2 and 1 3 is common, 2 3s are 6. This is the HCF of 42 and 162. This is the method by using prime factorization method. This is using prime factorization, we have to find our HCF. So in this way, by using, so which method? Listing factor. So listing factor, first we have to list out the factors like this, and after that common factors we have to find. Then after that, in that common factors we have to write the greatest common factor, means highest. Sometimes it's we call as greatest also. Greatest common factor. So greatest common divisor and highest common factor, both are same only. HCF means highest common factor, GCD means greatest common divisor. In some books it is given GCD and HCF, whatever it is, the thing is same only. Okay. Now these two methods over. Now HCF by division method. So by using division method, how to find our HCF. Here two numbers were given, 35 and 95. By using division, how to find? First we have to take smaller number. Smaller number divides bigger number. Smaller number divides bigger number. 35 2s are 70. 35 2s are 70. Then minus 5 minus 0 5. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 7 2. This is the remainder. So with this remainder, so we have to divide this divisor. This is the remainder. Now this remainder divides this divisor, 35. Now you take 35. Now remainder divisor. Remainder divides, now remainder divides in the second step. Remainder divides the divisor. 25 ones are 25. Then 0 and 1. Again in third step, this is the remainder and divisor. This second divisor, 25. 10 2s are 20. Again 5. 5 is the remainder and divisor. What is the divisor in 10? 5 2s are 10. Here it is 0. Here we are getting 0. So once again see here. First you take smaller number divides a bigger number. Smaller number divides a bigger number. 35 2s are 70. 35 3s are 105. That is more than this. So we go for 35 2s are. 35 2s are 70 and minus it 25. This is the remainder. Remainder divides this divisor. So each and every step, so we have to follow the same pattern. So first step remainder, first step divisor. 25 divides 35. 25 ones are 25. Why? Because 25 twos are 50, that is greater than, we go for 25 ones are 25 and minus it. Then answer is 10. Then in second step remainder, second divisor. Remainder divides divisor. 10 twos are 20. Third step remainder 5, third step divisor. Remainder divides this divisor. 5 twos are 10. So here we are getting 0. So here at finally 5 divides. So what is the divisor here? So at last we have to check what is the last. Here the last. In the last, what is the divisor? 5. That is the GCD of 35 and 95. Therefore 35 and 95 HCF is 5. It means what? It means in 5 table this both will divides maximum. Okay. So HCF means highest common factor. So this highest common factor is 5. So in this 5 table this both will divide. So at the last whatever the number divides completely without remainder, so then that divisor is our HCF. Okay. These three methods. So what? So that first concept, listing factor concept, the second concept, so prime factorization concept, the third concept, division concept. These three concepts you have to remember. Okay. Here the next concept, HCF of 3 numbers. So before we did 2 numbers HCF, now we are going to do HCF of 3 numbers. So the 3 methods the same. So one of the method is factor method, means listing factor method. The second one is prime factorization method. Then one more is there, that is division method. So in the next we are going to do that one. So these 2 examples we are going to do by using factor method and as well as listing factors method as well as prime factorization method. Here see here solution. First, so what are the numbers given here? 28 first, next 56, next 84. Now this 28, so 128 is a 28. Now 2 14s are 28, and in 3 table it won't divides in 3 table, 4 table, 4 sevens are 28. Then 5 table it won't divide in 5 table, and in 6 table it won't, and 7 table 7 fours are already 4 sevens is there, and 7 fours are means it repeats, means vice versa. So don't take, stop till here only. Okay. Now 56, 1 56 are 56. Now in 2 table it is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 28s are 2 28s are. Next in 3 table it won't divides. Why? If sum of the digits 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divided by 3. 4 table it divided by 4, 4 14s are 14 4s are 56. Next in 5 table it won't divides. Why? Here in ones place 6 is there, so it is not divisible by 5. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 9s are 54. Here 56 is there, so go for 7 table. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Now in 8 table 8 7s are 56. It repeats. 7 8s are already is there, and after that 8 7s is there, so no need to write, stop till here. Then 84, 1 84 is 84, then 2 42s are 84, and 3 it is divisible by 3. Why? Sum of the digits 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 is divided by 4, so it is divisible by 3. 2s are 3 26 are 3 26 are 84, 3 26 are 84. See, 3 2s are 6, 2 3 7s are 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 28s are 3 28s are 84. Next In 4 table also it divides. 4 21s are 4 21s are. In 5 table it won't divide. Why? Because here in unit place 4 is there, in ones place 4 is there, and check in 6 place it divisible by 6. Why? Because it is divided by 2 and 3, so it is divided by 6 also. 6 14s are, okay, 6 14s are 84, 6 14s are 84. Next in 7 table, in 7 table also it divides. 12 sevens are, 7 12s are. Next in 8 table it won't divides. In 9 table also, in 10 table also, in 11 also, in 12 sevens are. 7 12s is there, here 12 sevens are, it repeats. Don't take that one, stop till here, stop till here. Now 28 factors. Now take 28 factors in U shape. 1 2 4 7 14 28. 1 2 4 7 14 28. Then after that 56 factors. 56 factors. What are 56 factors in U shape? 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 56. Okay. Now 84 factors. 84 factors. So in U shape. 1 2 3 4 6 7 12 14 21 28 42 84. These are the factors. What is HCF means? Highest common factor. First factor part is over. Factors, all factors over. Next, after that we go for common. So factors over. Now we check common. So what is common here in all three? In all three we have to check. 1 is common in all the three, and 2 is common in all the three, and 4 is common in all the three, and 7 is common in all three, and 14 is common in all three, and 28 is common in all the three. Now over. Then factors over, common over. Now highest. Now we have to go for highest. In this common, so what is the highest one? 1 2 4 7 14 28. 1 2 4 7 14 28. 1 2 4 7 14 28. 28 is the highest one, so that we have to take. Then 28, 56 and 84. Highest common factor is 28. 28 is the highest common factor of this 28, 20, 56 and 84. Okay. First we have to write the factors, then we have to check common, then after that highest. Okay. Now in example, find the HCF of 22, 33 and 66 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. First 22. 22 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. 2 11s are 22. 11 is a prime number, no need to check further. Why? Because prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. So enough. Next 22 or 33. 33 is divisible by 3. 3 11s. Okay. Now 66. First this 6 is divisible by 2. So we have to use prime numbers first. 2. 2 3s are 2 3s are. Next after that 3. 3 is divisible, 33 is divisible by 3. 3 11s. Now here prime factorization method. 22 prime factors, 2 into 11, and 33 prime factors, 3 into 11, and 66 factors, 2 into 3 into 11, 2 into 3 into 11. So then what is common in all the three? 2. Here there is no 2, there is no common in between these. Then After that 11. 11 is common in all. So this is the common in all. So 11 is the HCF of 22, 33 and 66. Therefore 22, 33 and 66 HCF is 11. 11 is the HCF of 22, 33 and 66. Okay. Here now the HCF of three numbers by using the division method. See here 8, 12 and 30 numbers were given. So first we have to take any two numbers. I want to take this 8 and 12. So 8 divides this 12. Now first 8 ones are 8. Then borrow 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. So this is the remainder. Remainder divides this divisor 4. Divisor is 8 here. 4 twos are 8. When we divide with 4, the remainder is 0. Then, so with this 4, so we have to divide this, the remaining number. 4 divides 30. Then what is the number here exactly divides these numbers? 4. So with that 4, so we have to divide with this, the remaining number, that is 30. Then 4. When you will get 30 in 4 table, 4 7s are 28. Then minus borrow 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then remainder divides this divisor 4. 2 twos are 4. At last these 2 divides perfectly. So this 4, it means 2 is HCF of this 8, 12 and 30. So at final, so what is the number? We have to check what is the divisor. So that divisor is a HCF of these three numbers. First we have to take any two numbers from the given numbers. Here I am taking here 8 and 12. So 8 and 12 in these 4 divides exactly, and with that 4 the remaining number we have to divide. So after that at final 2 divides exactly. So it means the HCF of 8, 12 and 30 is 2. Therefore 8, 12 and 30 HCF is 2. Okay. Now here properties of HCF. Remember these 4 properties. What are the 4 properties here? HCF of 2 or more numbers always greatest their common factor. So this we know. So whatever the common factors are there, so in that common factor, so we have to take the greatest number, greatest common factor. So that is only our HCF. If we are going to take the common factors of the given numbers 2 or more than 2 numbers, in that first we have to write the factors, and after that we have to take common factors, and in that which one is the greatest common factor, that is our HCF. That is only here explaining. The greatest common factor is HCF. HCF. Next, second property. The HCF of a given composite numbers always smaller than the given numbers. See here, for example, here 3 numbers are given 8, 12 and 30. These 3 numbers HCF is 2. Whatever the HCF is there, that HCF of a composite numbers always less than these 3 numbers. Always less than these 3 numbers. 8, 12 and 30 HCF is 2. So HCF is always less than the given composite numbers. Okay. Next, third property. If one of the number is a factor of another number, then the smaller number is HCF. Suppose 9 and 18. If I say 9 and 18, what is the HCF of 9 and 18? So simply 9. 9 is the HCF. How it is? 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. So 9 is a factor of this 18. 9 is a factor of this 18. If the numbers given like this, the smallest one is the HCF. The smallest one is the HCF. Next, the HCF of a co-prime number is always 1. So what is co-prime number? So we discuss. So I explained before what is a co-prime number. Co-prime number means if the common factor between the numbers is 1, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Here common factor is 1. If The co-prime numbers, in the co-prime number, if common factor is 1, so then that numbers are co-prime numbers. So obviously the HCF of the co-prime number is always 1. Why? Because the common factor is 1. The common factor is 1 between the co-prime numbers. So that is why whenever co-prime numbers are given, then HCF of co-prime numbers always 1. These 4 properties you have to remember. Okay. In exercise 4, so the first question, so we have to find HCF of the following numbers using division method. Already we did, so how to find HCF and what about HCF? What is mean by HCF? And so 3 various types we did. So here he is asking exercise, the first one what he is asking, so we have to find HCF by using division method. Using division method we have to find HCF. The first question is 70 and 112. 70 and 112 HCF we have to find. How to find using division method? First we have to take the smaller one as a divisor and this bigger one as a dividend. 70 divided by 112. 70 ones are 70, 72 is 140, that is more than this. So 70 ones are 70 we have to take. Then minus 2 minus 0 is 2. Take borrow from here, it is 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. This first one remainder, so with this divisor. Remainder is a divisor and first divisor is a dividend. Okay. Now 42 ones are 42. Then minus, here it is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, here 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. Now second remainder, so divides this second dividend. What is second dividend? 42. Second remainder divides second dividend. Okay. Second remainder is a divisor now and second divisor is a dividend. Okay. 28 ones are 28, then minus. Here it is 12, here it is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is third remainder. Third remainder, so divides third divisor. Third remainder is a divisor here and third divisor is a dividend here. 14 twos are 14, twos are 28, then 0. Then 7, 14 is there, 14, 7, 14 is there, the answer is 0. So it means 14 is a HCF of 70 and 112. 70 and 112 HCF is 14. 70 and 112 HCF is 14. Okay. Now here 180 and 225. So this HCF we have to find. So what is the method? First we have to take smaller one as a divisor and the bigger one is dividend. 225. 180 ones are 180, 180 twos are 360, that is more than this. So 180 ones are 180 we have to take. 180 ones are 180, then minus. 5 minus 0, 5, take borrow from here, here it is 1, here 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. First remainder with first divisor. Then, so divisor, the first remainder is a divisor and first divisor is a dividend. Then in 45 table when you will get 180, 45 fours are 180. The same number minus same number is 0. So when second means when the remainder 45 divides the first divisor, then our answer means our remainder is 0. So it means 45 divides exactly here. So that means 180 and 225 HCF is 45. 180 and 225 HCF is 45. 45 is a HCF of 180 and 225. Okay. This is using division method, we have to find our HCF in this way. Here, so one more question is there in this bit, the similar question. That similar question you do as your home assignment. Next, second bit. Here we have to find the HCF. So, here the method is listing all their factors. So, we have to list out the factors and we have to find the HCF. Then first 30, 130 is a 30. Next, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30. Then it won't divisible by 4, 5 again, 5 6 are 30. So, next in 6 table 6 5s are, it repeats, do not take, stop till here only. Okay. Next 75, 175s are 75. Next, it won't divide by 12, divisible by 12, why it is odd number. Then in 3 table 325s are 75. Then in 4 table it won't divide, 4 is an even number, even multiples are even multiple, even only, here odd number. So, it won't divided by 4. Then in 5, 5 15s are 20, and in 6 table it won't divide, in 7 table it won't divisible by 7, in 8 table also it won't divisible by 8, and 9 table, 10 table, 11, 12, 13 till 14. So, 14 only divisible by. So, now we have to write 30 factors, 30 factors. How to take 30 factors? Complete in U shape. Okay. 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. Then 75 factors, 75 factors in U shape. 1 3 5, 1 3 5 15 25 and 75. These are the factors. Now, we have to take common factors. 1 is common in both, 3 is common in both, and 5 is common in both, and 15 is common in both. So, these are the common in both. Now, in this common factor we have to check what is the highest common factor. 1 3 5 15, 1 3 5 15, 15 is the highest one. So, highest common factor is 15. Here 30 and 75, HCF is 15. 15 is the HCF of 30 and 75. Now, the next question 64 and 80. So, how to take 64 and 80 factors? First 64, 1 64 is a 64, 2 32 is a 64, 3 in 3 table it on divides, in 4 table 4 16 is a 64, in 5 table it won't divisible by 5, 6 table it won't divisible by 6 table, and in 7 table also it won't divisible by 7, and again in 8 is a 64. Now, this 80, 180 is a 80, 240 is a 80. So, in 3 table it won't divisible by 2, in 4 table 420 is a 80, and in 5 table 515 is a, and in 6 table it won't divisible by 6, and in 7 it won't divisible by 7, and 8 10 is a 80, in 8 table it is divisible by 8, and in 9 it won't divisible by 9, and in 10 it divisible by 10. Then 10 8 is a, it repeats, do not take that one, do not take that one. Now, here 64 factors, 64 factors. What are 64 factors? In U shape, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8, again here 8 repeats, do not take, 16, 32 and 64. Now, 80 factors, 80 factors. What are 80 factors in U shape? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 15, 20, 40 and 80. Now, these are the factors of 80. Now, we have to check common factors. 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both, 4 is common in both, 8 is common in both, 8 is common in both, then 16 is not there here. So, 32, so that is not common, and 64 is not common. So, in between 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 8 is the highest common factor. So, 64 and 80, HCF is 80. 80 is the HCF of 64 and 80. Okay. So, this is the method to find the factor HCF using listing all factors. So, we have to list out all factors, and after that we have to find HCF. Okay. Here this is the division method, this is the listing all factors. Here one more question is there, similar question. That similar question is your home assignment. Okay.